Being born and brought up in a Jesuit parish and having been schooled at Holy Family meant that I was no stranger to the Jesuit and Ignatian way of life. The writings and teachings of brilliant Jesuits such as Father Anthony de Mello and Father Jerry Rosario have deeply influenced me and set me on a journey to discipleship. Every now and then my wife asks me if the fathers have kept a room ready for me at the parish house. She is convinced if the Jesuits admitted married men, I'd be among the first few to enlist. Jokes apart, in corporate life, we use a lot of jargon like thinking outside the box, breaking the mold, creating lasting legacies, inspirational leaderships, etc. St. Ignatius' life had most of these qualities which one requires to be successful in professional life. I'm especially fond of the term contemplatives in action. As Father Vinci says, don't come to me without a plan. This is a professional mantra for me. Plan, act, review, repeat. The best part of Ignatian spirituality for me is that I can take it everywhere. It is not confined to the church or any devotion that I undertake. Ignatius urges us to search for God in the daily events of our life. Finding God cannot be trivial. He is found in nature, which is life-giving, but also in other things which I believe are life-changing. Finding God in work. If you are rich or poor, young or old, healthy or ailing, male, female, transgender, work. It keeps you busy, helps you grow, brings satisfaction. If you are a chef, be the best chef you can be. If you are a homemaker, be the best. Remember, you compete with the best, with yourself, because God created a masterpiece in one piece. When my job of 21 years stopped bringing me growth and satisfaction which I wanted, I could walk away. God led me to my current job with new avenues for growth, learning, and excitement. I also find God in education. If you love a child, give them a good education and watch their life change. Donate to causes that help our children get an education. I cannot emphasize this enough. My parents didn't have much of an education but had the foresight to give me the best. As a parent now, I am doing the same. Just look around. It is wonderful to be in the company of knowledgeable people. Heck, I'd even say well-educated people are attractive. Let's help create more of them. A couple of weeks ago, I tested positive for COVID. The questions came thick and fast. What's gonna happen? Who else have I put at risk? Why me? Luckily, the answers came equally quickly. Why not you? Better you than your wife or kids or parents, right? Father Errol's sermon came to mind. Jesus did not choose the cross, but if the cross was the way to salvation, so be it. And that made it so easy to accept. I don't want this coronavirus, but I accept it as God's plan for me. Today is day 13 of my isolation and healing. I thank the Lord for the experience and all these people who prayed for me. My family lived in close proximity to me but did not test positive. This is the Lord's work. I found God even in the pandemic. Good night.